Thanks for watching Epic Doll Channel. Today it's lunchtime for Sarah. And she is super hungry. So I need your guys' help. We have all of these Velcro Food Mickey items, but we need to cut them up so Sarah can eat them. Can you guys help us today? You can. Wonderful. Let's make lunch for Sarah. Okay, we have an onion, tomatoes, ham, cheese, pickles, a hamburger patty, a hamburger bun, lettuce, bread, and our knife to cut. Okay, Sarah told me that she would love a hamburger, so let's prepare a hamburger for Sarah. First, we need to cut the bun open. Velcro Food is so much fun because you get to prepare it just like your mommy would. Next, I think we need some cheese. The cheese is stuck together. We better cut it apart too. I love this Mickey Mouse food by Melissa and Doug. Look at how cute the Mickey Mouse cheese is. Okay, let's set it on the bun. Okay, next I think we need the hamburger patty. There's only one, so we don't need to cut this one. Put it on the cheese. Then you get some nice yummy melty cheese. Sarah loves that. Okay, what next? Do you think Sarah would like a tomato? Yeah, tomatoes are super healthy. So let's put a tomato on her burger. There's two, so we need to cut it apart. Perfect! They look exactly the same. So cute! Which one do you think we should put on the burger? The one on the left or the one on the right? Let's put on the one on the left. Okay. Ooh, that looks like a good burger. Sarah looks super excited. She's so happy we're making food for her. What next? I think a nice piece of lettuce. But there's two pieces here. We better use our knife and cut them apart again. Perfect. Look at that. That was awesome. Okay, let's put the lettuce on our burger. Wow, there's so much left over. What do you think? Let's put one more ingredient on. Do you think she would like onions or pickles? This is a hard choice. I really like pickles, but onions add a lot of flavor. Maybe we'll add onions on her burger. Okay, there you go. And last, we put on the bun. Holy cow, that's a giant burger. Sarah, look at how giant your Mickey Mouse hamburger is. That's huge. Oh, I bet she's gonna be so excited to eat this. She is excited. Okay, let's put it on her plate. Look at this. This Mickey Mouse placemat has a fork, a knife, a spoon, and a cup of juice. And then a plate with Mickey's face on it. Let's put the hamburger right on Mickey's mouth. It's so silly. Okay, now we have to go so Sarah can eat her delicious hamburger. Thank you guys so much for helping us today. We love making food for our baby alive snacking Sarah. So if you guys like to have fun, then you gotta give this video a big thumbs up. And you can come help us make more food for our sweet Sarah. Hey guys, thanks for watching and we'll see you later. Bye! Oh, Sarah wants to say bye-bye too. Bye-bye, Sarah.